So what'd you think?
All right. Amazing. Delicious.
Sauvignon Blanc is great.
We made it. We got a charcuterie board and some Sauvignon Blanc.
Cheers. Looks delicious. Great views. Quiet. We're here. So what'd you think?
All right. Amazing. Delicious. All right, food.
Food was great. We didn't get to test everything. We just kind of came in for a real quick light lunch. It's a late lunch and we have an early dinner rest, so we kept it light. Just had a little starter.
Charcuterie, great. Everything tasted super fresh. Yellowtail starter, delicious.
Carrots.
Carrots. Amazing. Ambiance.
It was good. The
Really
vibe,
nice.
the music was good. The views were great. It was pretty quiet. It was a little early on Thursday.
Which was kind of nice for us. It felt like private. It felt like there wasn't a lot going on. But as we were leaving, another group was coming in. I'm sure that on a normal night or weekend, it's probably definitely bustling. But beautiful, beautiful.
It's fresh. It's delightful. Service
All right.
was great.
Architecture, nice. Minimal. I liked it. It just like blended into the space. It wasn't overly done. It was like nice and open and breezy.
With the landscape as well, it was like pretty native, pretty
Drought tolerant,
but still nice, like Mediterranean vibe. Olive trees all over the hill. Here behind us, boulders, lavender.
Yeah.
It was nice.
Definitely would come again. I'd say all in all,
Good views.
good recommendation.
Hard to give 5 stars this early on. It was our first stop, but it's up there.
And value too. I mean, if you're gonna go get charcuterie board, a bottle of wine, which the wine was great too. Got Sauvignon Blanc.
It was great.
Good. Honestly, like I would say 5-star type meals for sure. And we spent
Under $100.
not bad. So definitely recommend.
Yeah.
Awesome. On to the next.
All right. What'd you think?
Really good. I wanted to say amazing again, but I said that at lunch, so I have to find some new adjectives.
It was good.
All right, we went to Finca Altozano. Really good. Really cool grounds. A little bit more like walkable grounds. Seemed pretty kid-friendly.
Yeah, big
Food.
open space, good views. The winery was real mature.
Lots more bottle options, like wine options at this one.
The goats were great.
Yeah, there was goats. There was pigs.
Yeah, all sorts of just hidden niche little spots. Fire pits. You could grab your bottle of wine and you could bring it.
Food.
Food was good.
Amazing.
It was very good. We had mostly apps and light things, but man, it was good. The tacos
We like to
were
do
great.
that because then you can like try a bunch of things. So
Yeah.
tacos were good. We got the birra, lamb birra. The octopus was good, although I don't think that was your favorite.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really liked it, but the mushrooms were really, really good.
Really good.
And the ceviche, that charred shrimp or whatever
Yeah, it was like the charred
cucumber was really, really good.
shrimp ceviche thing.
And it was super tasty homemade sourdough, which was like top notch, and they kept bringing it, which was nice to like soak up all the hot sauces and flavors and stuff.
Pressing all their own tacos there, or tortillas and bacon bread. Yeah, a little ice cream shop.
So yeah, this is a place that you
Espresso
could
shop.
definitely come
Spend
and like
a day.
spend an afternoon. Space for kids to run around. There was lots of different kids, which was nice. Family friendly for sure. Fun vibe too. And cool architecture, like you can go from place to place, very like rustic, but fun uses of things like wine barrels and stuff like that.
Yeah. big
Definitely,
wine
I would definitely come back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's up there for sure.
So 2 for 2 so far.
Yeah. Valley's a good spot to come.
All right,
To the
on to the next.
We tasted today, the first wine that we tasted, it was Copernicus, an amazingly good bottle for an everyday drink. Afterwards, Perseus, my favorite personally, This is G&G Malbec.
All right, so the infamous Deckmans.
Yeah, it was good, delicious.
It was really good.
It was good. The ambiance, the space around it was really cool. The architecture was really cool. The architecture of the restaurant itself was like super simple.
Beautiful. Glad we decided to come check this place out. It was a great call. Very cute. Is this old growth olives that somebody had long ago planted following a creek right on the other side of these logs here. And they've just converted it into a restaurant. It's great. Honestly, though.
The best flatbread I've ever had. The wine menu has some pretty shishy wines, so you can spend a bit of money if you want. This one's amazing.
Yeah,
so
this was great.
I told them I wanted to get one that was from the area because being from San Diego, no need to go to Mexico to get American wine.
Like Cabernet. We're Cabernet fans in general, but apparently this French company came and established
Frenchman,
kind of a
winemaker,
French vineyard here, and it's wonderful.
He found out that this was the area to grow great grapes.
This is the spot.
So
forget France, forget Napa.
Highly recommend. We literally last minute were like, should we just see if something around here? We were gonna eat a little taqueria. And we're like, let's just see if somewhere around here will have reservations open. Go open table is your best friend for Valle de Guadalupe. Go on open table. Last minute, there was a spot open here. Literally, probably highlight of our trip only because spontaneity ends up being a highlight. So
it is.
Yeah.
Do what makes sense.
Yeah. Sometimes less reservations.
Sometimes like feeling like you have to keep to a schedule and venture 20 minutes, a half an hour that way and ride a donkey through potholes. Like sometimes it's just.
I mean, but we're also here not in like super peak time, so that could affect things. And then also we're staying in a nice area that has some pretty great wineries right around it. But yeah, sometimes last minute things are pretty awesome. Stop it.
It's not a joke. That's pretty absurd. That's absurd. It is the crispiest, smoky grill, almost like deep fried taste on the outside, but stewed butter on the inside. That's absolutely absurd. It might be the best piece of beef I've ever had in my entire life. I know torn apart food is not the most appealing thing, but we wouldn't normally do this, but
you have no idea. We were actually just saying, like, you can't tell people to come here and be like, you have to try this, you have to try this. But this is the best meal we've ever had.
Yeah.
It's so good. Short rib.
Kind of looks like a long rib to me, but yeah.
It's a very
they call it a short rib. It's kind of like a mushroom, what was it, truffle-ish pasta?
I don't know, but honestly, just so, and then we ordered this veggie medley with it. The veggie medley with the tortilla.
No, it was a special like chilies. Like it had
special chilies that are only grown.
8 different chili mix that was kind of just grown around here.
We had zero hopes for tonight. We were just gonna like lay low, and this is honestly like I think one of our favorite meals. It's amazing.
Fire. It's fire.
These crazy flavors that are
so complex,
like
so great.
A taco unlike you will ever try.
Yeah.
If you are coming to the Valle at any point soon or anytime, come to Bruna. It's amazing, great wine.